When both men and women feel attraction towards another person, they tend to show abnormal behavior based on chemistry. From a show of hands, how many people have experienced a time when you've done something that you wouldn't usually do just to impress someone you were interested in? Many people experience times similar to this every single day. The problem is they don't know why the incidents occur. The problem is the reason this happens is because your brain is flooded by chemicals, and the chemicals give you a natural high. The problem is with it, you don't actually have to be in love, and unsuccessful marriages are created this way. First of all, your brain is flooded by chemicals. The chemicals flood your brain, and at a sense, they are at a sense related to amphetamines. They are dopamine, norepin, nor, norepinephrine, and phenylethylamine, also known as PEA. PEA is a psychoactive drug with stimulant effects such as being aroused. It's actually found in many foods, but the most common food that is found in is chocolate, which is the reason why chocolate is usually given as a gift on Valentine's Day, aka also known as the Day of Love. The PEA in chocolate gets people in the loving mood. When the drug is in your system, you get a natural high. It has the same effect that stress has on your body, but in a more positive way. I mean, compare the symptoms of the two: flushed skin, sweaty palms, and heavy breathing. The only difference between it is that the only difference is that you get a butterfly feeling in your stomach this way. And when the feeling goes away, you feel good. And then you want to feel the feeling again. Next thing you know, we become love junkies, needing to feel the feeling all of the time. It becomes soothing and we get used to the feeling. Therefore, we accept the feeling even when we are not in love. We begin to get the feeling just from attraction, causing us to believe that we are in love. Most marriages are made due to this. Actually, when couples marry and have kids, they realize that they fall out of love, which causes them to divorce. Usually, the passion between two only lasts 4 years. They only stay together long enough to rear one child through infancy. In the words of Helen Fisher, an anthropologist and also the author of The Anatomy of Love. She studied 62 cultures to come to this conclusion. Another common situation that occurs is couples has couples usually have their second child before their first child is 4 years old. Therefore, that forces them to stay together until the youngest is at least 4 years old, causing them to exceed another 4 years. But otherwise, this is a major issue in America. So next time you find yourself in a predicament and you don't know how or why you allowed yourself to do the things you've done, keep in mind the brain is a very powerful thing. When flooded with the chemicals such as dopamine, norepinephrine, and also PEA, the power can instantly backfire on you in multiple ways. Thank you.